Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to see me. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this wig. Baby, it was a process, but we got it done. So yeah, stay tuned to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all at the end. Okay, y'all, we finna just get straight into it. So first thing I'm doing is going in with the Kinky edge control, and I'm gonna put this around the perimeter of my head to make sure I get all of those little baby hairs slicked back and out of the way, so that way I'll have a clean, empty plate to work with, so that way, you know, no hairs are pulled from like the glue and things. So now I'm putting on a ball cap, and this came with the wig. I'll make sure I put all the details about the wig in the description box. Dang, I can't talk. Anyways, I'm going in with the black Got2b glue, and I am mapping out my hairline, and this is going to help me for when I lay down the wig as well. So I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to cut tabs out on my ears and kind of pull those out. Then I'm going in with a blow dryer and just drying that glue down. After that, I'm going in with a pair of big scissors to cut my ball cap down the middle, and then I'm taking a face shaver to give a more precise cut on the wig cap, just to make sure I get it as close as possible without having to do any modifications. So after that, I'm going in with my skin tint for Fenty Beauty, and I'm in the shade 21, and I'm gonna use that to color my ball cap and make sure I just get it all over, because this is a full lace front wig. So after that, now it's time for the wig. This wig was so pretty, so gorgeous. Yes, 10s. So anyways, I did overbreach it a little bit, but that's okay, because, you know, players fuck up too, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just fitting it on my head, and then I'm going to take the bow hold, and this one is for oily skin, because I have oily skin, which I did not know. Just a little G whiz for you guys. And I'm going to do 3 layers of this. And to even it out, I'm just going to take the back of my rat tail comb, and I'm just going to spread it out evenly across my hairline, forehead a little bit, you know what I'm saying? It's big over this way, so I'm trying to cover a little bit of it up. So then I am going to split my lace front into 3 sections, and I start off doing the middle first and just pressing that in, and then I follow up with doing the sides. This just helps me get a more precise placement when I'm laying down my wig. And I'm taking my rat tail comb and kind of just combing it down, and I leave this band on for 30 minutes. And then now, after those 30 minutes are up, I'm going to take some spritz, and I'm going to use the back of my hand and just lightly press it on the edges of my lace front. And then I'm going to put the band on there. And you know, if you know, you know, E-Cane, band for an hour, band for an hour, band for an hour. And I'm going to do this after I finish spritzing my hairline down. And yeah, that's really it. Quick and easy hairstyle. So yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all finish watching, and then I'll see y'all at the end of the video. Okay, so this is the finished look. I think the wig came out so bomb. Like, y'all seeing this? Yeah. Comment down below what y'all think about this hair. Well, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.